Once upon a time, in the heart of the Ganges River, lived a gharial named Gari. Gari was unique among the crocodiles, for he had a long, slender snout that resembled a fish's head. Gari was often teased by the other crocodiles for his long nose, which made it difficult for him to catch fish like they did. He felt lonely and misunderstood, always wishing he could fit in. One day, a wise old turtle named Tanda saw Gari struggling and approached him. "Why are you so sad, Gari?" she asked. Gari explained his situation and Tanda listened patiently. Tanda smiled and said, "Your long nose, Gari, is not a curse but a blessing. It is designed to catch fish that other crocodiles cannot. Embrace your uniqueness and use it to your advantage." Gari felt a spark of hope. He decided to use his long nose to his advantage and ventured deeper into the river, where he found a school of fish he never knew existed. With his unique snout, he was able to catch more fish than any other crocodile. The other crocodiles, seeing Gari's success, realized their mistake and apologized. From that day on, Gari was no longer the outcast but the leader of the crocodiles. The moral of the story is, embrace your uniqueness, for it is your unique qualities that make you special and help you stand out.